Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here with you today. I wanted to show you a tour of the new travel planner that I created. And this planner is what I use to plan our most recent trip to Costa Rica for 1 month. So I'm going to show you kind of how I did that using the planner and what it includes. And so here's a tour of the planner itself. This is the cover. And this is the tutorial page with all kinds of tutorials on how to duplicate pages, change covers, use the stickers, use the planner, and this first page right here, this is how you get to it. This is called the index link right here. This is the index page. All of these tabs here and all of these are linked to other pages within this planner. So these right here all link to these tabs, and these 3 custom sections link to these 3 tabs right here. And then I'm going to show you these pages in a minute, but before I get to that, I'm going to show you, this is the calendar templates. These are undated calendar templates that you can copy and paste and reuse in any part of your planner. And these are paper templates, so there's blank, dotted, grid paper, lined, half lined, list, and then back to the tutorials if you need to. So I'm just going to flip through this planner to show you how I've used this to plan our trip. So if you click on this first trip information, I entered in our trip information there, our to-dos. What I did was I kind of brain dumped everything into here, and what you can do, if you like to do that too, is you can use this lasso tool to kind of bring things into the right area. So I had all of this in a long list here, and then I used the lasso tool to move it into the right spot that it needed to be. And this next page is packing list. So these are all the things that I packed. And I did a whole blog post on our trip to Costa Rica with all of these details, and as well as like how much it cost, all of the excursions that we went on, and went into detail of it. And I'll post that link below for you to see. And I'm gonna go to the next one, which is air transportation. It's kind of outlines our flights, and we actually got our flights for free because we used our credit card mileage points, and in the blog post I go over that too, what credit cards we used and how we managed to fly our whole family of 4 to Costa Rica and back for free. And this is ground transportation. Next page is lodging. We stayed in an Airbnb and a hotel, so I put that information there. And then I went through our whole itinerary, including the date and the day of the week and the excursion or activity that we did, and then tallied up the total there. And this is our whole budget breakdown of all the things that we did. We spent about a little over $5,000 for 1 month in Costa Rica for a family of 4. So you definitely want to check out that blog to see how we did that. This tab here is for journals, and what I wanted to do for you today is to kind of show you how to create a journal entry of your own. And so what you need to do is you just click on this plus tab, and then you click on current template, so it duplicates this template for you directly after that page. And super easy to add photos to your planner. This is us at a waterfall, at the beach, and my favorite, with these white-faced capuchin monkeys. And I'll show you. You can write in here, let's see, or if you don't like your handwriting, like I don't sometimes, what you can do is you can put the cursor down and then you use the scribble feature. and it types it for you in whatever font you have chosen. Or you can simply type it with type tool. So there you go. So a few different ways of writing in your planner. And I wanted to show you, let's see, these last 3 tabs right here. These are custom sections that you can do. You can label whatever section this is for here, and you can also label it right here. So if this is, you know, I did a lot of homeschool while we were there, so this would be my homeschool section, and can organize all of that stuff over there. And let's see, I want to show you these pages right here. These are the custom calendar pages. So this is what the daily page looks like. This is what the weekly page looks like. These are the monthly pages, and this is the yearly pages. Depending on how long you're traveling, you can copy these pages, so copy page, and then paste it into one of these sections or one of your custom sections on the bottom here. And then these are your paper templates. So this is just a blank paper, graph, dotted, lined, half lined, and list paper here. So yeah, you can pretty much customize this journal any way you want. So this planner actually comes with this cover on it, but you can change the covers, and I'm including all of these covers for you. So this is the one that comes with the planner right now, but you can easily change it to one of these covers, and these are the stickers that are included. This tells you kind of how to use the stickers. These are all individually cropped, transparent PNG stickers in this Good Notes file. So it's super easy for you to use in your planner. What you can do is use the lasso tool, select any part of that sticker and move it around and copy it. And you can copy it and paste it into your planner and then put the picture back there, and you've got a great little frame for your photo. There you have it. If you guys are interested in this planner, I do have a sample of this planner on our freebie page if you'd like to try it out on your device before you kind of buy the planner. What you want to do is go to Isaru.com, freebies, get access. And from here, you just type in your information, and then you'll get a password so you can get access to sample planner, sample travel planner, as well as all of these other sample planners, notebooks, stickers, covers, you name it. So you definitely want to head there and get some freebies if you want to try it out first. Otherwise, this planner is in my shop, and I will link to that below also. Thanks, guys. See you next time.